Ever wonder what your classic has really been through? I mean really been through? Because paint fades, stories change, but VINs don't lie. We've all heard the sales pitch. Only driven on Sundays, yeah, sure, or the classic, all original, never touched. Then you check the actual VIN history and find 3 auctions, a mileage rollback, and, oh, hey, it used to be bright yellow? Stuff like this? It's more common than you think. That's why we built Classic Decoder, because classic car people deserve real answers. Just type in your classic's VIN any make, any model, and we'll pull up the full vehicle history report. Not just the basics, but real, verified stuff that matters. Think auction records, theft or salvage status, past listings, engine swaps, factory build specs, and title problems. Even photos from back when it sold at Barrett Jackson or Copart. Look, a classic isn't just a car. It's family history. It's late nights in the garage. It's you in metal form. So whether you just bought one, inherited one, or you're finally selling after 22 years, you deserve the full story. And that story starts with a VIN. Don't just guess what your car's been through. Know it. Run your classic car VIN history today with visitclassicdecoder.com. Plus use this code and you'll get 20% off your full vehicle history report. One VIN check can reveal it all, from surprise accidents to wild past owners. Don't guess, don't assume, just check it. Links in the bio. Type in the VIN and watch the real story unfold. Ever discovered something crazy in a VIN report? Funny? Sketchy? Tell us in the comments. We've seen some wild ones too.